Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. In EVS, we are going to study question answers of lesson 5. So, children, let's get started. Children, our first question is, what is a skeleton? What is a skeleton? The bones of our body form a structure called a skeleton. Children, हमारे बॉडी में जितने भी बोन्स हैं वो सारे क्या बनाते हैं? They all together what they make? Skeleton. All the bones of our body, what they make? They make a skeleton. So the answer is the bones of our body form a structure called a skeleton. Question is, what should we do to keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy? So children, what can we do to keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy? To keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy, we should eat healthy food. Healthy food like your green leafy vegetables, all your dals. Clear, children? Fruits. Okay, so you will eat healthy food, no junk food. And number 2, you will exercise regularly. Now you can't go out and play, so what you can do? You can walk on your terrace. Yes, children, you can walk in your balcony and you can help your mother in keeping the things. That is also an exercise. Yes, or you can even walk in your room. You can do skipping in your home. So to keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy, we should eat healthy food and exercise regularly. Now the next is HOTS. Now what are HOTS? They are higher order thinking skills. This is the full form of HOTS. H for higher, O for order, T for thinking, S for skills. So higher order thinking skills means you have to use your brain, you have to use your imagination. Okay, you have to think. So our question is, do you think we will be able to move without the help of our bones and muscles? Children, what do you think? Can we move without the help of our bones and muscles? Now can you see these two pictures? The first picture is a picture of a skeleton. Now he is standing. But the second picture, the boy, he's looking like some bag. Yes? So can he stand? No, I think so he cannot stand. Why? I cannot see any bones. I guess he has no bones in his body. Yes, so the answer is no. We would not be able to move without the help of our bones and muscles because they give support and shape to our body. All the bones and muscles, what do they give? They give support and shape to our body. And without the bones, we would be a bag of jelly. Yes, children, we would be like a bag. Yes, no bones, no muscles. Can we stand? No. So bones and muscles are a very important part of our body. Now, did you know? Children, did you know a bone doctor is called a orthopedic? What is a bone doctor called? Orthopedic. So this is something extra that you are learning. Okay, children, so what is a bone doctor called? A bone doctor is called a orthopedic. understood and you are going to do the work neatly in your classwork copies and you will also learn it. So children, take care and bye-bye.